What is attraction marketing and can it work for you? In this video, we're going to talk about explaining how attraction marketing came about, when it was created, why it was created, and why it's such a powerful strategy for network marketers. And I will also answer a question, can it work for you? Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can attract their ideal prospects to them. They don't have to chase or beg anyone to join them. And consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share new episodes helping you with your business every single week. And if you haven't yet, I also have a free attraction marketing bootcamp. And somewhere around this video, there's going to be a link and you can register and sign up and get this training absolutely free. There are three elements on how attraction marketing was created. One of them is direct response marketing, social influence, and being a servant leader. Direct response marketing is making you take action on the offer right away. So it's either you clicking in, putting your email address, putting your phone number so you can get the free information, you can purchase right away. That is form of direct response marketing. What's great about it, it's trackable. So you know exactly how many people look and how many took action on whatever you're promoting. It's very different than what most big companies use to do marketing, and that is brand awareness marketing. Now, for somebody who is small, for a small business, that type of marketing doesn't work. It's made for big brands such as Coca-Cola, Honda, anything like that, where the brand is well known and people just need a little buzz, a little reminder, okay, I'm thirsty, I'm gonna go get Coca-Cola. But if you're promoting a drink that nobody knows what it is, I'll give you an example, like Prime is not something that everybody knows yet. My kids absolutely love it. They're hydration drinks, they're alternative to Gatorade, but it is something that you need a little bit more education before it becomes a big brand. Direct response marketing has been used for years and it's created multi-billions in sales. And we use that to create one element of attraction marketing. In attraction marketing, we are giving free information in exchange for the contact, in exchange for email address and phone number, so we can then sell our services and market further to this prospect. The second element of attraction marketing is positive social influence. Because when you use the word influence, it can be used in a positive and a negative way. We want to say that we want to use it in a positive way. We are creating a brand online. We are creating that influence that makes people want to buy something, want to get more information, want to solve a problem, and we are creating that through social media. It is very powerful. It influences your thoughts and your feelings. We're constantly being influenced on where to eat, what to buy, what to wear. Our beliefs, our attitudes, and our actions are being done based on who we are getting influenced by. And the third element of attraction marketing is being a servant leader. Being there for the people you're serving, giving more than you're getting, and really giving value, not thinking what's in it for you, but what is in it for your prospect. You're being a thoughtful leader that everyone knows, likes, and trusts. You're helping people solve their problems. And most of us are skeptical and we're like, is it going to work for me? Is it going to work for my type of product? Is it going to work for my specific company? Can you show me someone in my company who was successful with attraction marketing? Or maybe my company doesn't allow to promote online. What can I do? Can this still work for me? And the answer is yes. You're going to learn skills and leverage them so you're going to be attractive to your ideal audience. Are you an attraction marketer? You may not have the skills yet, but if you have the mindset and will to become one, then you are. And if you're not willing to learn these skills, believe me, someone else will. Because this is the future of network marketing, building it online, being more authentic. Essentially, you're building your own brand, which is the extension of who you are. You don't own your company. It can close anytime, it can change a comp plan, it can be shut down by one of the government agencies. You just don't know. But what you do own is you own your own brand. When you're in attraction marketing, you're building assets. Your biggest asset is going to be your contact list, your email list, and you can take this anywhere. Doesn't matter if you decide to change company, if the company closes on you, if anything happens, you have your brand and you have your asset, which is your contacts. You don't own your social media, but you do own your contact list. There are 4 pillars in attraction marketing. The first one is attract. You're attracting your ideal audience. Then you're doing the positive influence to your audience by providing value and helpful information to them. The third part is enrollment. When people are raising their hands, want to know more information, want to buy your products, want to join your business. And the last one is leverage. This is where you're creating duplication. Just to make sure it is work. Nothing is going to be just given to you. You have to work, you have to learn the skills, implement the skills, give it time and possibly an investment, because I spent a lot of money in thousands of dollars to learn attraction marketing, but it was so worth it because this is the skill you will have for a lifetime. And because I have this skill, network marketers are reaching out to me, wanting to work with me, either in their own company, want to create a system with attraction marketing themselves, or want to leverage the system that I have already created, join me in my business, and we can build it together better way, more authentically, using modern marketing techniques, which is attraction marketing. And there are many trainers out there who say they teach attraction marketing. I learned it from the original source, people who actually created the name attraction marketing, and they started doing it almost 20 years ago. Before social media was even out there, they created this form of marketing for their network marketing businesses. And because of the leverage, they were able to enroll thousands of people in their team in just 30 days. And these are my mentors. This is who I learned attraction marketing from. And I'm still learning. If this is you, if you're like, I'm so done with rejection and using the old tactics that just simply don't work anymore, especially not on social media, and I'm looking to grow my business, but I'm just so beat down and wasting so much time, then attraction marketing is probably for you. And the best way to get started is how I got started, and that is through a free digital recruiting bootcamp. There's going to be a link in this video where you can just sign up and get started learning attraction marketing. My question for you today is, based on what you heard, are you an attraction marketer? Drop me that answer in the comments. I'm looking forward to serving you and answer any of your questions. And consider subscribing to get more episodes, more training like this. I put a new episode every single week. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.